& Buster's at the Angry Birds. Both of these have towers, so me and Robert are playing right next to each other. He likes to spam, I like to do one at a time. And we actually had lunch, I didn't record it. I'm doing that Dave & Buster's Rewards app, and so it was my turn to earn a free entree. So, oh look, the coin got stuck. So I had the ribs, they were really good. And we actually split the rack of ribs, so it's big enough that you can split it between two people. So now we're gonna play Angry Bird. There was actually a Tribble on Star Trek, but at this point, I'm obsessed with Angry Bird. So I'm like, I wanna play Angry Bird. See how many tickets I can get today. Good timing at all. That's a good push though. Oh, come on. Tickets. I just got 40 tickets on the blue tower. Oh, I got stuck again. All right, 4 tickets on the red.
Our machine is very twitchy.
Very twitchy?
Very twitchy. I don't know. That's weird.
Your tower, oh my God, your tower moved up a lot quicker than mine. Let me know when you're close to the edge. You might get your tower before me. Oh, that was the push. He also has a better chance of building a tower. See, he only has to get 2 of those reds to build a tower. I have no reds, so that means I have to get 5 reds. Like, come on. Oh my God. My coin keeps getting stuck. I've had it happen 3 times. I've never... 16 coins on the left. Come on.
I'm not there.
You are getting close. Okay, I'll keep an eye out. You are getting. Oh, you got another tower. He only needs 1 more red to build another tower. Oh, that was a good push. Would you? Oh, and you only need 1 yellow to get that bonus.
Yeah, look. Going around.
bunch of token. You want to put tokens on real quick when you get to that point. So now once it's counting down, you want to get as many through the 3 collars as possible. Oh, and he got the tower. Followed her over.
Wow. Not very good.
Not very good at all. He had over 70 chances, and he only got 18 so far. All right, so he gets 18 tries to get eggs. That's what we like. And 18 tries to build a tower. That was a good one. 18 is still respectable. I think the best is like 28 I've got. No, because it's cool to build big towers, but then they're harder to move. They weigh more, don't push forward as fast.
548 coins.
Oh.
548 coins.
He won 548 coins for that small tower that fell over. That is very decent. That's a good tower. Excuse me. My towers move forward. It should fall over soon. But I'm absolutely not close at all to building my own. Oh, finally, I got a tower square. Coins. Is that gonna be enough to push it forward? Push it a little. Oh, I got a second tower square.
You're almost.
I am almost there. I got 2 tower squares in a row. That's awesome. And now I just need 2 more tower squares. And I got some yellow coins. Will that help? Oh, that did it! Yay! Alright, so let's see how many coins I get for that tower. Now I'm concentrating on trying to get into the red square so I can build my own tower. You what? Oh, tower. Now I go. Yeah, that's true. All right, need one more. Oh, I didn't notice. Okay, how many? It's already counting down. I think I got like 400 tickets. Robert got more tickets than me. We'll see what it adds. I don't think I got as much as Robert. Yep, 332. Not the best tower. Of the 150 tickets. It's very nice. Come on, tower. Oh, 12. So close to the tower. Here we go. Just built the tower. I'm getting ready to build the tower. See, I got 89 coins ready. How many can I get with the countdown? there the countdown starts. Here we go. All right, I got 27.
That's crazy, Paul.
All right, that's gonna take a while to build. Hopefully I win the bonus. I'll come back once it's built.